Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Bingx. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Trust Wallet application. Now once you have successfully logged into your Trust Wallet account, after that you just need to tap on the Manage Crypto button, and in the search bar you have to simply search for USDT, and after that you can see USDT on many network. You can select any network according to your preference, but I'm simply selecting here USDT on Tether, so simply tap on this USDT on Tron. After that you just need to tap on this send button at the bottom left, and here you will need to paste your USDT Tron wallet address from Bingx. In order to get the USDT wallet address, you just need to minimize your Trust Wallet and open your Bingx application. Now once you have logged into your Bingx application, after that you just need to tap on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner and click on this blue highlighted deposit. Now click on this deposit cryptos, and in the search bar you have to simply search for USDT and select Tether. That here you will need to select a network. So here you need to select same network you have selected on Trust Wallet, so select Tron. But if you have selected wrong network, then you will lose your funds. So simply tap on this Tron network carefully. After that tap on this get address. So this is your USDT Tron wallet address along with the QR code. So you just need to copy this address, and after copying, reopen your Trust Wallet account and paste this address in this address bar or domain name. Now enter the amount of USDT you are transferring from Trust Wallet to Bingx, for example 200 USDT. And this memo option is useful because we are transferring USDT. Once you fill all this information, you just need to tap on this next button at the bottom. It will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your USDT from Trust Wallet to Bingx application. And that's how you can transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Bingx. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.